So now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a texture inside a texture which is not in the basic SketchUp that you can't find here, and you have the possibility to integrate texture from outside file. And this can very improve your project. So, for example, if I want to insert a texture here on this face, I select this face, and here I have File and Import. So File and Import. And when you go on Import, you can reach a file that you have with textures that maybe you download on a website. And I can go, I have texture SketchUp, and I have all this texture. If I want to add, for example, wallpaper, here it's in French, but I want to add wallpaper, and I have all this possibility of a wallpaper that I can integrate on the wall. So I would like to try this wallpaper, and here you have image, texture, and new match photo. If you want to add a texture like this, you need to select texture. So I select this texture and import. And here you can insert your texture on your front. For example, here, like this. And you can change the size. You double click, and with a double click, it is in all your shape. If you want to find this again, so here you have this, so we are in material. For example, we was at colors. If you want to find this again, you can go here, and you have in model. And if you select in model, you can find again our wallpaper, like this. So if, for example, other example, I want to import, and I'm going to change, and I would like this time to integrate carpet, for example. Oh no, I'm going to show something different. I can create a rectangle here, and I want to integrate grace. So File, Import, and here in my texture SketchUp bank, I can find here grace and ground, and I can have, for example, different things. So let's try, for example, this. Here I'm on texture, so I'm ready, import, and I select this here, and like this. So this is to show you how to integrate texture. And you can also change the color, and to change a little this texture, you have just to create material here, create material here, so let's do this. So you need to select this. Voila, here you need to select your model. Here in model you select your grace, and after create material, and you can change the color with a color wheel. Here you can make something more, something clearer, less dark, for example. And here you can change this. It is white and change, undo white and change. So I can, if for example I use 10 meter to see the difference, and opacity I can reduce a little. Okay, and now it's like this if I wanted to change. So it was to have a general idea or how to change and to create material, and you can see your new material again here. I forgot to rename this, but it's not a problem. So this is how to insert a texture on a shape.